What's up, Black? Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cactus Leroy, aka Prince Cactus, aka Durag Lee, aka Wavy Lee, as you can see. But today we back at it again with another banger. I'm bringing you guys a Monkey app video today. I just did a rate me 1 through 10 on the Monkey app, and today I'm bringing you guys a would you smash or pass me on the Monkey app. Hopefully I get some smashes. I don't want to take no L's today and get any passes. You know what I'm saying? We can't take no L's, man. We cannot take no L's. I'm all about taking dubs. I love to win. You feel me? I love to win. I don't want to take no L's today. You feel me? So we're gonna hop right into this. Hopefully it won't take that long to find some good, decent people on this app. Cause bro, lately this app been tweaking, bro. Like G shit, but I gotta make sure my settings are correct because bro, they be giving me some weirdos and I ain't with it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even with it. No underage motherfuckers, bro. No. Excuse my French. I need to stop cursing. Well, we finna hop right into this, all right? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, by the way. Social media is always in the description down below, so y'all go hit me up on there. What's up with people not putting a picture of themselves on this app? Like you feel me? Like, I don't want to click accept and I see Whoopty Goldberg on this motherfucker or some shit. Like, goddamn. Entertainment purposes, guys. Entertainment purposes, okay? I'm gonna just accept everybody, like, but I don't want to at the same time, like, bro.
One eternity later.
Fuck it. Hello? What'd you say?
What you said?
No, you said something.
Oh, yeah, so what about my back?
You said what?
What about mom? I said my cousin got my mom back to get my booty done like hers.
You get your booty done?
Yeah. BBL, Brazilian mother.
I got a quick question.
What?
Are you listening?
Yeah, I'm fucking damn done.
Damn, well, okay, you aggressive.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's a quick question though. Would you smash or pass me?
How old are you?
19.
Quick follow.
What?
Quick follow. How tall are you?
6'6".
Oh, yeah.
So you would smash me?
Yeah. You told me.
All right, thank you.
Okay, wait, you got an iPhone?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna switch you right now. I'm gonna send you like in an hour when I get out of the shower and double check how to do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit you up after this.
Okay, I'm sending you right now, bro, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. I didn't even understand half of the shit she was saying. Like, you feel me? Like, I didn't understand half of the shit she was saying. Like, she was just like saying that. What? English?
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
Like, I was confused, man. But that's one that we need to keep count, guys. We need to keep count. All right. And did she say she's gonna show me how she look? I didn't understand anything she was saying. I was so confused. Like, all I heard was Brazilian butt lift. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know. Like, you feel me, bro? I don't know. Bro, this shit tweaking today, fam. Like, what the fuck? Get your shit together, bitch. We got another victim. Hello. I got a question for both of y'all. Wait, add time real quick. Oh, y'all can hear me? Wait, how old are y'all? How old? All right, I guess. The question is, would you smash or pass me?
The question is, I smash or pass you?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pass, but not because you're ugly or anything, just because
Okay. Fuck both of y'all! Goddamn! I don't know if Ty a man or is she a female. I don't know if that's a he or a she. So I can't accept you, my baby. Can't accept you, my baby. They both said pass. Like, bro, what kind of shit? Talk about cause you're not ugly or anything. I just want to smell. Sometimes I just don't know. Hello? Hello?
I like your direct. Hello?
Thanks.
Hello? Can you hear me? Oh.
Why? Why me? Why do I always get the weirdos? Huh? The weirdos. Why? And to all the niggas on this app that be trying to talk to guys and girls, you're fucking sus, bruh. You're sus. I don't want to be scrolling through. I don't want to be waiting on a female and I see a guy name pop up, bruh. Suspect. Hello?
What's up?
What's up? I got a question though. Add time real quick. It's not gonna take long. The question is, would you smash or pass me?
How tall are you?
6'6".
I smash.
Okay. She want me.
You smash? That's the only reason because I'm tall?
No.
What
I was
other reason?
wondering, because I'm 5'10", so.
Are you 5'10"?
Yeah.
Are you like slim? You slim?
Yeah.
You're slim? Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna follow you on here though. You seem cool. Alright. That's all I had to ask though.
Yeah, okay.
No. And I had to ask how tall I am, baby. I ain't small, baby. Hello? Add time real quick. I got a quick question. Would you smash or pass me? You would smash? Why you smash? Why would you smash? I got big lips. That's it? Thank you. Damn, you see my eyes? My eyes look low. Oh shit. But alright, thank you. That's all I had to ask though. Yeah. She want me.
My nigga.
Bitch can't tell me none. What's up? I got a question.
What?
Well, for both of y'all actually. Well, add time real quick. Add time real quick. Oh, there we go. Okay. For would y'all smash or pass me? Well, what you said? What you said over there? Wait, you said smash. What she said? She said smash. Oh, what's the reason? What's the reason? I'm cute.
You're cute.
All right, thank you, appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? That's like what, guys? It's like 3. That's like 4, right? That's like 3 or 4, maybe. Lose a kind of count here. You know what I'm saying? Woo. Damn. Damn, who this is? That's like 3 or 4. It's like 3 or 4. You know what I'm saying? We can't take no L's, gang. We can't take no type of L's, bruh. None. We probably took like 1 L so far, but that's okay. That's all right. That's all right. Texas. Yeah, I got waves. But add time, I got a question. I got a question for all y'all. Add time. Add time. Oh, I got a question for all y'all. You want to see my wave? I'm not taking off my do-rag now. I do have waves. You can see it through my... It's too much work. But like, it's a question, a quick question. All right, so for all y'all, right, for 3 of y'all, would y'all smash or pass me?
Smash.
Why would y'all smash? Appreciate it.
She want me. She want me. She want me.
All right, that's all I had to ask though. Thank you. I'm gonna follow you on here though. I ain't rating y'all. Bro, they talking about rate us, bitch. I ain't rating none of y'all.
Gotcha, bitch.
Bro, I ain't rating none of y'all, bro. Get out of here. The fuck? Talk about rate us. I ain't rating none of y'all. That was funny, dog. That was funny as hell, bro. Hopefully that one they mess up. That was actually a good one. What's up? Oh, my nose ring? All right, thank you.
Don't comfort him like that, baby. He's cute.
All right, hold on. I gotta. I ain't adding you. I am. I'm gonna throw that in there for good measures. I'm gonna just throw that in there for good measures, y'all boys.
Yo.
What's up? I got a question. Well, add time real quick. I got a question for both of y'all. Y'all can hear me?
Yeah.
All right. Would y'all smash or pass me?
Go ahead, Ashley. You ask. Ashley said smash. She said smash.
So what you say?
What I say?
Yeah, what you say?
I'm a child of the Lord, so I would have to wait to I'm sorry.
Fuck out of here. I don't want to hear that shit. We all childs of the Lord.
That's tough.
What's up?
Yo.
Wait, add time real quick. I got a question. You can hear me?
Yeah.
All right. Would you smash or pass me?
Well, let me see. I'll probably smash you.
You would smash? Why you say that?
I think you're cute.
Think I'm cute?
Yeah.
Okay. You like tall guys?
Definitely.
Okay. I'm 6'6", just to throw that out there.
You're 6'6".
Yeah.
I'm 5'4".
You're 5'4"? I like short girls, so it's like it's whatever. It's whatever. But yeah, I decided to ask that quick question though.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm telling you, you gotta throw in there that you're 6'6", all right? Once you get like my height, you get away with that shit. You can say you're 6'6" and get the baddies, bruh. You can say that, all right? You can say that. I know. I may abuse it a little bit, but it's okay. It's all right. The hoes love it. What's up? I ain't even gonna show the screen recording of that one. No, maybe I am. That was a waste of my time, bro. What's up?
Hi.
What's up? But add time real quick. I got a quick question. All right, you can hear me?
Yeah.
All right. The question is, would you smash or pass me?
Smash.
Why you say that?
Huh?
Why you say that?
Cause you're cute.
That's it. I'm just cute. That's it.
I mean, if you want to get all technical with it, I don't know. You seem nice. You're not like other people that's on this app.
Yeah, I'm not a weirdo. I'm not a weirdo.
Other people on this app, they're like rude, or they're just trying to get freaky.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, I don't really be on here that much. I just do this just for entertainment purposes, honestly.
Okay.
The screen recorder had messed up on there, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Of course, I'm gonna have to edit this out. It's like 23 minutes long. By the time I edit it, it's gonna be less than this, but I ain't expected to be this long. But I got some funny responses. I got a lot of smashes today, you know what I'm saying? Hey, when you're 6'6", you can get away with things like this and you look this good, nah, son. But like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, more bangers are on the way. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see me do. My social media will always be down below in the description box. Y'all can fuck with me on there, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I ain't a weirdo, you know what I'm saying? I'm nice to my subscribers, you feel me? But Cactus Gang, hopefully y'all enjoy. We out. Bow.